Let's add some more feature to the vehicle superclass, which is superclass of a car and airplane altogether. So some getters to have access to make and year. Since make and year are private, so it cannot be used outside the vehicle class. So public string get make simply returns make, and public int get year return year there. And then, as you recall, the vehicle superclass is common things about all subclasses. Car and airplane, common things are make and year. And then we can think of a common behavior. So those are common property. Common behavior of a car and airplane is a move. The vehicle moves. Car drives, airplane flies, though, but it is common behavior is it can move or it can transport. So let's define a method for common behavior. String move there, then it returns a string moving the vehicle there, and then we can call move method to see how it moves. So in main, if I define a vehicle, V1 is new vehicle, make is UCO, year 2030, and then as I call system dot out dot print ln v1 move, then we expect that moving the vehicle is printed there. So moving the vehicle is the common behavior among car and airplane, but how do you move? By driving or by flying? We don't know. So let's say don't know how yet until we know it is a car or airplane. Then how do you handle this situation? Is that we can override the method. So override means you provide the same name, the method, same name, same return type, same exercise, exactly the same method. Let me copy and paste it into car. Exactly the same method you provide, one in superclass, the other in subclass car, that is called the method overriding. So you just override what is defined in superclass. So in Java, you have an annotation tool. Make sure that this is intended to override the one in a parent. Then give a annotation at override, then we explicitly say that this is to override the same one in a superclass. The benefit of using at not override is that, for example, if you have made some typo, you intended to override, but because of a typo, it is not overriding because the different method names are there. Then annotation detects any such typo. So you can now correct the typo, and then it is actually overriding. Now it's a car, so you say by driving I can move. So in main, now if I do system.out.println instead of v1, if I do c1, then as I run, car by driving comes up. So in airplane, we could do same thing, copy that and paste, override the mover from vehicle. So here is an airplane by flying there. So in the main, I can copy the line and then say that A1, then mover comes from airplane flying to. So that is called method of writing.